We demonstrate that through use of eco-chip devices, physical structures and pressure heads can be held constant or varied, while the influence of surface chemistry, fluid properties, or the characteristics of the particles or microbes are investigated systematically. Through transport experiments using a non-pathogenic green fluorescent protein-expressing Vibrio bacterial strain, we illustrate the importance of habitat structure, flow conditions, and inoculum size on fundamental transport phenomena. Microfluidics offer a compelling view of a hidden world.
Hi, I'm Dmitry Markov from Vanderbilt Institute for Integrative Biosystems Research and Education at Vanderbilt University.
And I'm David Schaffer, a Research and Development Engineer here at the Vibrio Laboratories.
Hi, I'm Leslie Shor from the Department of Chemical, Materials, and Biomolecular Engineering and the Center for Environmental Science and Engineering at the University of Connecticut.
And I'm Adit Dhummakupt, also from Vibrio.
Today we're going to show you a procedure for creating modular microfluidic habitat arrays for basic environmental science and engineering research.
We use this procedure in our laboratory to investigate the effects of micrometer scale structures on microbial transport interactions in porous media.
So let's get started.
The first step in creating a microfluidic device is to draw a two-dimensional layout of the device in a computer-assisted drawing, or CAD program. We have used AutoCAD, but other drawing programs are also available, such as Cluin or CorelDRAW. The software enables the designer to faithfully replicate physical structures throughout a macroscopic field, while individual features are defined at a resolution of less than 5 microns. From the CAD drawing, a photographic mask is created. We use a chromium mask, manufactured by Advanced Reproductions Corporation, North Andover, Massachusetts. The next several steps of microfluidic device production take place in a clean room. To create a master, a clean silicon wafer is coated with